Alright, you're looking at Lexus GS350, 430 or 450h from 2006 through 2011, and this is the roof molding right here, and it's chipping out pretty badly right here, and I need to take this off, try to see what I can do about it, either to repaint it or put a wrap on it or just leave the silver finish, which looks kind of okay too. And it goes all the way to the front under the fender right here. So this is not the right place to start. Okay, now I took this one off to show that what's really underneath it. Before getting started, it's nice to know what's there. So there's this clip here, and this one goes straight up, but there's a little trick how you start over here. I'll get to it in a minute. And this clips right here, if you break one of this right here, it's not a big deal. There are 20 clips for $10, so it's not bad at all. But the molding that goes here, this is a retaining clip. That clip that goes in here, you don't want to break that. That could be very expensive. All right, so there's a whole bunch of clips here, all the way down here. So let's get over here to the actual molding, and this is what you need to know. This little tab right here. There's this little tab right there. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna try to pull this over here, push this thing out a little bit, get my finger underneath, and there it is. So it popped out. Actually, I practiced a little bit, that's why. It came out a little easier. So I'm gonna try to, there it is. There it is. It's coming out pretty good. And on this side here. All right. This is my hand. It's just coming out very easily, actually. There it is. Okay. I think I got it. There it is. All right. So all the pieces are together on this thing, which is nice. Now we're gonna take the vinyl off. I got a little helper here. He's doing a really good job there. And focus on a little bit right there. So it's coming off okay. Just a lot of work. Slide this thing in and just kind of work your way back. That's one technique. Seems to work. And removing this. Let's do this. Alright, line up the clips. Right there. Right there. It pops right in. Yeah. Alright, goes in very nicely. And make sure it's lined up. And let's see here, lined up. Okay, I can see here the pops. Oh, nice. Goes in. It's going in very nicely. And let's line this up again, make sure. Yeah. Okay. Alright, that's it. Alright, let's see how it looks. It looks really good, very sharp. Nice. Yep, I like it. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.